Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make golden cornflake hedgehogs. It's like the chocolate hedgehogs but without the cocoa powder, and to make this you're going to need granulated sugar, honey, golden syrup and butter in one bowl, and you're going to need some cornflakes, of course, a tray and something to line the tray with. So I'm using greaseproof paper. You could also use non-stick paper or foil. To begin with, I'm going to start off by warming this in the microwave just until it goes. You don't want to fully get it too hot, but you're just warming it to melt the butter. So my mixture of sugar, butter, honey and golden syrup has been in the microwave for a total of 3 minutes at 30 seconds at a time. I'm just going to mix it. Put it in the fridge like this, just to make it cool a bit quicker. While my sugar syrup mixture is in the fridge, I'm just going to take the cornflakes and just crush them. It's my mixture just out the fridge. It took about 20 minutes to cool. I'm just going to stir it. Next, I am going to pour my cornflakes into this bowl. You could do it either way. If your bowl's big enough, you can pour it into there. And give it a mix. Also, the reason why you don't want to put your sugar, butter mixture straight into the cornflakes is because you don't want them to be soggy. By cooling it, you're not heating up the cornflakes, and it keeps the cornflakes crispy. It's finished. Next, you're going to take your lined tray and your ice cream scoop. It's like the old video before. You just want to pack that like very tightly into the scoop. Use the spoon too. Pressing it. You want it to be very tight because you don't want it to fall apart when you put it on the tray. And just turn it over. There's your first one. And just repeat. Just repeat until your mixture's finished. fridge to set or until they're firm and hold their shape. When your golden hedgehogs come out the fridge, they should look like this. They should hold their shape like mine, and then they are ready to eat. That's all guys, thank you for watching my video on how to make these delicious golden hedgehogs. I hope you like them as much as I do. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos from me. Also check out my new upcoming video, how to make chocolate custard, and my previous video, how to make an easy no bake cheesecake. Thank you for watching.